Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's having a great day. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging, so that means we have another review. Let's find out who all this is from. Let's see what we got going here. All right. This is from DP Clubs. And it's going to be in 2 parts. I will be right back and we'll start part number 1. Right, I am back. So this is part 1 of my review for DP Clubs. And the next part will be next Thursday. So we're going to start with the diamond painting. That is, if I can figure out. It comes in one of these bags. I hate these bags. Hang on. Get rid of that sheet on that like. Okay, this is a 50 by 40 centimeters, and it is a square. And let me see if I can undo everything. There's all. Well, that's quite odd. It didn't even come with a boat wax or anything. It's kind of flimsy, like the tiger that I got. I'm not liking these. A little sticky. I wouldn't say it's overly sticky, but it's smaller than the tiger. Let me turn it around. While I'm looking, it has 40 colors, and it's a Christmas tree. I'll put a picture here. Yeah, I just thought it'd be pretty. As you can see from the picture. Not too terribly wrinkled up. But it sure is flimsy, like the tiger. I'll lay it this way, maybe you can see more. Let me see if I can get it up. Come on. There we go. Couldn't get everything up and move at the same time. And it's kind of dark looking, but I think it'll be beautiful when it's done. We'll measure this while we've got this like right here in hand. Oh my goodness, the thread is jealous. So approximately 55. Really? Now that's just a guess. Oh my goodness, it's so slick I can't hang on to it. So 55 centimeters that way. And 39.5 that way. The actual picture is 43.5, which is 17.25 by 13.25 or 34 centimeters. But yeah, it's a little bit dark. I'll have to use my what do you call it? My light pad, of course. And that lightens everything up. But at least the symbols are, if they're dark, and they're all pretty dark colors, on the, as far as the symbols on this canvas. Not so much on this. I can't believe it didn't even come with a boat and wax pen. Not like we don't have a whole bunch of those. I save them. So, because I don't use them very often. But, yeah. So, let's take a look at the drills. And they're all in baggies. I may not take them out. I'll just hold them here. Nice and bright and shiny. I don't see anything I'm looking at as bad. But lots of beautiful, beautiful colors. So, I think it will be pretty. I really do. But 40 colors? Oh my goodness. Yeah, that'll take 2 of my plastic containers to do. But it's not very big, so I know there's scattered colors here and there. And like I said, Canvas is sticky. I don't want to touch it too much. But I thought it'd be a nice Christmas picture, and I could put it on poster board, you know, when it's done, to hang it up. But yeah. So, cool. All right, let's give this a roll so we can get it out of the way. And I have been known to write on the back of the canvas on these with my Sharpie, and it doesn't. I'd usually do it like in one of the margins, and that way I know where I got it from, especially if it comes from, you know, in one of those crappy plastic baggies. That was $16.99, guys. $16.99. Then I got another Mermaid Pen. And it's all pink. There's no blues in this one. And it just comes off, and it's a single placer. Yeah, my granddaughter likes these. Because it's a single placer. She's not going to be using a multi-placer. And that was 99 cents. And they're very lightweight. I do like it for that fact. The only problem I have with it is that it doesn't have a place to put a multi-placer. But they're kind of cool to look at. So, beautiful. Then I got a little shell. You know, keeping with the mermaid theme. Who knows? These could find their way to my granddaughter's diamond painting stash. She's got things going now. She doesn't have pictures, nothing big. But I've been getting her stickers or the little ornaments, that kind of thing, that she can finish in a day, you know, and make something. But this is just a little shell, and they come in different shapes and colors. And the shell was $1.99. But isn't that pretty? I just thought that was cool. And she has such a problem when she works on those, like stickers. Like she wanted, it's got like 6 or 8 things on the stickers that you can do. So you don't want to take the paper all off because, you know, that's not happening. But I thought that maybe this would just do it in like a single area to hold back the plastic so she could work on them. Because she works on them, she finishes it, and then she has to go stick it somewhere. So, yeah. Might be a Christmas present. Who knows? She'll like that. But she always likes her diamond painting. But she don't want to get into anything big. We're not getting too carried away. Hey, at least we taught her how to diamond paint, right? We're working on the cross stitch. Speaking of cross stitch, this is the cross stitch that I got. I thought this was really pretty. I liked the bird, and I liked her hair. And it's a 40 by 50, and this one was $12.99. Isn't that beautiful? I just like the colors and everything else in it. Let's get it out of its plastic bag. Ugh. Isn't that beautiful? I like all the stuff in her hair. And it's not very big either. Comes with a great big huge whatcha-jigger. Oh my goodness, I can't talk today. Big printed out chart. This whole chart and all the colors right here is going to match your canvas. So I like that. It has 44 colors. Holy cow. And it has picture here. And it has all the thread colors going down the side. The DMC and the symbol, and then the number for the thread card. Does give you instructions over here on how to start, what to do, that kind of thing. And it has the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. But yeah, I just thought it had a lot of beautiful colors in it. And I don't know if she's kind of a winter thing, because this kind of looks like holly, or there's something else red at Christmas I can't think of, but the leaves remind me of holly in her hair. So I just thought it was beautiful. I like the color combination, that kind of thing. Let's get that out of my freeway. Let's take a look at the threads. Does come, whoa, we got a butterfly this time. We are collecting all kinds of plastic baggies. We got a new one with this kind of flower on it the other day. So yeah, it still has 5 needles, poof ball, and a thimble, and a needle threader. So yeah, that's cool. There's some black. Oh dear. That's a lot of 310. Hang on. Sorry about that. Yeah, the dog from next door, every time that guy lets her out, she has to come over here and rattle Molly's cage. I don't know why people can't just put their dog in the car. I don't have this problem when I take Molly out. She goes right out the gate, does her thing, we get right back and get in the car. Irritating. Sorry for the crinkle. Yeah, that is a lot of 310. I'm sure, yep, 310 black. It's not a big one, but, well, I guess it's, I don't know if that's 40 strands or not. I got nothing. It looks at least like 25. But the picture, I guess it did have some black in it. So it's kind of here and there, and then you've got other colors for the background as well. It's just kind of the shadows. We're trying. We're trying. Get it undone here. Everybody's smooshed together. Isn't that pretty? And there's no white there. I guess we're going to use other shades. There's some white down here, but yeah, isn't that beautiful? Just beautiful. Lots of gold. Look at that bright red. Yeah, it looks like 823 here. But well, there's kind of a offy white color. But yeah, and then there's kind of a light tan. And then you got the cream, see? So that's going to make up the lighter parts. But yeah, just beautiful. Let me get a hold of that so that I don't lose it anywhere. Roll that up again. But just a nice, beautiful combination. I like them bright reds, though, in that. Oh, my goodness. Excuse me. Does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. It is serged all the way around. But yeah, that hair is going to be something else. It's not overly confettied. It's just confettied, like this is her hair, and it's confettied, and that's that. It's just a little bit confettied. And, you know, just in sections. And then there are some bigger rivers. It doesn't show the color, you know, the colors of the threads. Some of them do, some don't. And the stitching isn't in the numbers, so that's easy to see. But yeah, let's see, where's my thing? So it's the same size as that diamond painting. It'll probably measure easier, though. Okay, it's at 51 by 40.5. So it's a little over how big it is. And the actual picture is 44.5, which is 17.5 by 13.5, which is a little tad over 34 centimeters. So yeah, but nice, easy to read symbols, and it's an 11 count, and it does say that up. See, it says YLCT, and then that 6,000 number. So if it was a 14 count, it'd say Y14CT whatever number they have next. But that's the product number right there. So yeah, and it's a nice lightweight, lighter weight, and not as stiff of a canvas. I'm telling you, I'm having the worst time talking today. But yeah, I just thought this was a beautiful, beautiful picture. We're going to have to start that too soon. But you can see how some areas are more confettied than others. But it doesn't get too carried away because it's not that big of a canvas. You know, I mean, like there's a big section here and a big section and a big section, but... And these are mostly the same colors. So they're like sprinkled. Like for her hair. But yeah, I think it's beautiful. Thank you, DP Clubs, for sending me these beautiful kits and tools and things. They do have diamond painting and cross stitch. They have crafts and tools for both. They have paint by number. I almost forgot what I was going to say. Paint by number. I don't know if they have tools or crafts for them. They also have a separate Joy Sunday section. And I do believe that I have a 15% off discount. And if there's anything like that, like if they have free shipping on this or that, or buy two, get one free, or any specials they're running, plus I'll put my 15% discount down in the description below. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.